We are going to work on some Farmhouse decor with some Canvas Corp brand products, finishing it with the new Seven Gypsies Architectures. I'm going to start with a coat of high impact paint in white, just all over this bare wood disc. Give it a good coat. It goes on really easy. Just let it dry, and I'm going to distress it with an emery board. I'm going to start adding some vintage colors back in. Here is Glimmermist and Coffee Shop, and I'm just going to hit the edges and the sides just to add some vintage color. Gonna add in some Tide Pool Glimmer Glam, which is a really sheer paint with glimmer in it. I just love this color. It's a really good color. And when I paint it on the white, you'll see how sheer it shows up. And it just kind of gives the illusion of that there was like another layer of paint under there at some point. And just kind of blend it in with your brush and gives it a patina. So pretty. Love that color. A little bit more distressing with the emery board. That's some French vanilla with chalkboard, so there's no really glimmer in it at all. And now I'm gonna hit the edges again with some more Glimmer Glam, and this one is in the espresso bean, so it's really dark brown. And here I come back with the high impact paint in white. I'm dry brushing it on just to soften up any edges and help everything kind of blend together. Very important to clean your brushes, especially when you're using permanent products. Okay, so this is the Architecture piece I've chosen. It is a weather vane chicken. And I've decided where I'm going to put it, and it's a little too long, so I'm going to cut a piece off the bottom here. Pretty much perfect there. Love that. And then I've got some of this muslin fabric here that I'm going to cut up in a minute. And I've found some metal ribbon I've had for years. I've never opened it. It's just been sitting on my shelf waiting for a project. And I cut a piece out of it to make like a label holder. And then later you can see I've also cut up a couple of the pieces of filigree just to add some decoration. I'm just cutting up that fabric to make a some edging for the side of the wood piece. I've got a label here, and I've typed the word chicken on it in French, which is, I'm not sure how to say it, but Google told me it was P-O-U-L-E-T, how you spell it. So I typed it onto a little brown label, and then I'm putting this this label holder that I've cut out of the metal ribbon onto it. Okay, now I'm going with the Architectures background in the chicken wire, and I'm just going to lay it on. adhesive, so it just sticks right to it. And I'm just going to trim all the pieces off so it fits on there. They're really easy to work with. They're very flexible, and it cuts really well with just regular scissors, even though it looks like wire, like real chicken wire. Wait till you see. It just adds like the perfect touch to this piece. How cool is that? So I'm just going to trim up the edges and adhere all the pieces back down, and we'll pretty much be done. How cute is that? Love chickens.